Hey guys, don't skip this video if you want to grab a giveaway standard plan from MagicLight. I have 5 chances, so don't miss them. And for those of you using the Plus or Pro plans, you actually get a chance to experience Sora 2 Unlimited, no watermark, until the program ends. You can create videos up to 50 minutes long, even make full 3D cartoon videos with just one prompt, one click. Multiple characters, perfectly consistent visuals, all powered by Google Nano Banana's top-tier image generation. I'll pin the giveaway rules in the comments, but hurry, time's limited, so don't miss it. In my previous videos, I showed you the story-to-video and kid story one-click features. Today, I'm updating you guys on some brand new ones. The AI Video Agent, the world's first AI agent for long-form video, and Sora 2 Unlimited for free. Again. .3D video for kids. Instead of choosing one of the default prompts below, I'll just paste my own prompt here and hit enter. Boom, MagicLight instantly creates content for me. Now I'll adjust a few things. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, choose Pixar for the art style. If you want to tweak or polish the story script, change the video duration, or modify the characters, just type your revision request in this box. Click Next, and here comes the cast. MagicLight automatically suggests characters for you, but if you want to add or replace someone, just click that character and pick a new one. Or simply generate your own. Once you're happy with your characters, hit Next and Next again. Oh, this part's fun. You've got a ton of features to play with. For example, if I want a different camera angle for this shot, I just click on the scene and bam, it gives me a new one. Or maybe I want the character's movement to look more cheerful. Click right here and see, the vibe instantly feels more lively and full of energy. And if I want a winter fog effect, just tap Effect and there you go. The image quality, straight from Google Nano Banana. So it's next level. Next, I'll animate the image we just created again. This time, I'll use 𝐬𝐭. Just click Animate, and here's the new shot. Nice and smooth. Now, let's try changing the narrator's voice. I actually want to clone my own voice, so I click here, upload my sample audio, and clone it. Once it's done, just select that cloned voice and you're good to go. After editing, hit Next, pick the font style for your title and subtitles, then press Enter again. If you're using Kid Story one-click, all you need to do is paste your prompt and hit Enter. MagicLight automatically generates your final video. And if you're not happy with the result, no worries, you can always edit it later like I just did. But with the AI Video Agent feature, you get way more flexibility. You can tweak the characters, change the video duration, and make edits before generating the final video. So pick whichever feature fits your style best.
Cartoon videos
Alright,
for
the
kids.
video's done. Cool, right? Now let's talk about Sora 2. Yep, Sora 2 is now officially available on MagicLight.
Trick or treat.
And right now, when I'm creating this video, you can generate Sora 2 videos with 0 credits, unlimited, no watermark, but only if you're on Pro or Plus plan, okay? And hey, don't miss the giveaway. There are up to 5 chances to win. head to the Shorts tab on YouTube and search for 3D video for kids. You'll be surprised. There are tons of videos with millions of views. With MagicLight, you can seriously cut down your production time. Like this channel here, only 97 videos, but already has 2.1 billion views and 1.67 million subscribers. And guess what? Their first upload was just on August 21st, 2024. Crazy, right? The only thing you need to focus on is controlling your input prompt and making sure your story is good. MagicLight AI takes care of the rest. Then you can add your own background music using an AI music generator like MakeBestMusic.
I don't know what to do without you. I love you so much, more than words can say.
I already showed you how to do that in my previous video. Links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the giveaway. Links right there in the comments. See ya in the next one.